Hello, Olin Business School community. I am Erin. For those of you who I haven't yet had the pleasure to meet, I am the owner of Data Dozen and also a really big data visualization geek. And I am so excited to be collaborating with Olin again and bringing this workshop series to you virtually. Now, as you might expect, this series was originally intended to be delivered in person. Now, we're all doing our part, we're staying home, and so we thought, why not go ahead and get creative and try to bring this to you virtually? So, I thought I would do two things here. I thought I would give you a sense of how these live streams will feel on YouTube. This is a live stream, I'm recording it, bringing it to you, and also give you 4 steps that we can take to make sure that you are all set up technically so you can follow along with these workshops. My workshops are always hands-on. We're building together. I'm building on my computer, you're building on yours, and we want to make sure that you've got that technical setup so that you're all set to do that, even though we're virtual. So you'll pull up the live stream, you'll have the link for that, and on the website we have for you, here's how you can make sure you're all ready to go. So we'll jump over. First things first, we need our software. We need what we're going to use to build in Tableau. So there is something called Tableau Public. This is a completely free version of the software. You'll head on over here. This is public.tableau.com. You will come down to this bright orange box here, enter your email address, say download the app. The app will go ahead and install. You can get it all set up. When you launch it, if you want to make sure it looks right, this is what it'll look like. This is where we will spend most of our time actually building visualizations together. That's what the workshops will all be about. So if you've got that in place and you're ready to build your charts and graphs and interactive dashboards, the next thing is once you've built it all, you're going to want to be able to save it. So step 1, download Tableau. Step 2, you're going to want to make a Tableau Public profile. Now, we'll come over here. You'll come back to Tableau Public. You've already downloaded the app. You'll want to come up here to sign up. And if you see this in the top right-hand corner, you'll click there. This is where you can go ahead and put in your name, your email address, yet another password. Hold on to these credentials. These are the credentials you will need once you've built your beautiful dashboard series to actually upload your work to Tableau Public and make sure you can save it. Eventually, you will save a bunch of fabulous dashboards there. You will build quite a portfolio in Tableau Public, and it'll look something like this. So step 1, download Tableau Public. Step 2, create a Tableau Public profile. Step 3, you're going to want to head to the website where we're collecting all of our resources for this workshop. This is my website, datadozen.com/Olin2020. And if you go ahead and scroll down, you'll see that with the descriptions for each of the workshops that we have in this series, Download the Data is ready to go for the first boot camp. So step 3, once you've got your software and you can save, you're going to want to download the data set that we will use. Now, each workshop will have a different data set. We're going to be working with different things. So you'll want to make sure that once you have got the software and you can save, that you come and grab this data set. This is just going to be an Excel file. It's small, I promise. It won't crash your computer, but it'll be something that we will need. If you don't have Excel already on your computer, that's okay. The Excel file will come down and we'll be able to connect Tableau to it without a hiccup. So if you have worked with me before, maybe last fall you took the beginner boot camp already, you know these steps. These sound familiar. You're going to download Tableau. You've already got your profile set up, and you may even already have one of the data sets. However, the fourth and final step is a little different. Here's the catch. If you have worked with me before, you know when we do these workshops, they're hands-on. I'm up front, I've got my computer, and I'm in Tableau building. You're looking up at the screen, you're seeing what I'm doing, and then you're looking down at your own laptop and making sure that you're following along. Here's the catch. We don't have that big projector this time. So what we need to do is figure out where you're going to be watching me present. Now, like I've said, when the time for the workshop comes, all you have to do is scroll down to the very bottom of this page and join the event. This button will become live, you'll click it, you'll be taken to a live stream, which is it'll feel just like this. in YouTube, and you will be able to, just like you watch all your other YouTube videos, watch me present. On your laptop or your desktop, you'll want to have Tableau up, the data set ready, so you can build along with me. The question becomes, where do you want me presenting to you? Now, if you have a big home office setup, you've got dual screens already, you might be all set to go. You'll have me on one screen and Tableau pulled up on the other, and that's where you'll be building. But if you've just got your laptop, which a lot of folks, that's what we'll be dealing with, you probably don't want to be toggling back and forth between my presentation in YouTube and what you're trying to build in Tableau Public. Now, we are all home. We all have maybe more than one screen in the house. This could be a TV. This could be maybe something like this. This could be a tablet. You could even use your cell phone and set that up so that you can see what my screen looks like as I'm building and coaching you through making your visualizations in Tableau. So those are the 4 steps. Get Tableau downloaded, get your profile set up, download the data set, and then figure out where that second stream is going to come from. And you can just, again, when that workshop, it's time, it's 11 o'clock, it's April 8th, you're ready for the beginner boot camp, just come back to our website, scroll to the bottom, and you'll just click join the event and we'll pop up. Now, if you are not available on April 8th or the other days that we have scheduled for our workshops, don't fret. We are recording these. So one of the great things about YouTube, it will record everything that we live stream. We'll save that just like we saved this, and you'll be able to watch those videos later. Also, if you just want to be able to look back and see what we built, you'll be able to reference those as well. If you have any questions about getting your setup all ready for a workshop, don't hesitate to reach out. We will be able to respond to you here in Slack. We've got this whole workspace set up with our channels, one for each workshop, and as well as a tech section. So if you've got questions about the tech setup, don't hesitate to let me know. Or if you just want to send me an email and we can coach you through it and make sure you're all set up as well, Erin@datadozen.com. Feel free to send me an email as well. And with that, I'll just say I'm really looking forward to seeing you. I appreciate that we are getting creative and figuring out how to do this virtually, and I'm really looking forward to our workshop series. So if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will look forward to seeing you.